The world once clung to old ideas. It seemed like things would never change. Then came the scientific revolution. From the 16th to the 18th centuries, a new way of thinking emerged. It was a revolution of the mind. Before this time, people often accepted explanations based on tradition. The Earth was the center of the universe. This was a truth that could not be questioned. But the scientific revolution challenged this. It dared to explore new possibilities, pushing the boundaries of human understanding. This period saw the rise of great thinkers. These individuals questioned everything. They observed the world around them, and they used reason and evidence to find the truth. The scientific revolution wasn't just about new discoveries, it was about a fundamental shift in how we understand our place in the cosmos. It was about the power of human curiosity and the courage to challenge what we think we know. Imagine a world without questions, a world where everyone accepts what they are told. That was the world before the scientific revolution. But some brave individuals dared to challenge the status quo. These pioneers of science refused to be confined by the limits of old thinking. They looked at the world with fresh eyes. They asked why and how, even when others said it was pointless. Nicholas Copernicus dared to imagine a different solar system. He proposed that the sun, not the Earth, was the center. This idea was radical. It challenged the very core of long-held beliefs. This spirit of questioning was central to the scientific revolution. It was about more than just finding answers. It was about the courage to ask the questions in the first place. It was this courage that set the stage for centuries of scientific advancement. The scientific revolution was driven by individuals of extraordinary intellect and curiosity. Galileo Galilei, with his telescope, opened our eyes to the wonders of the night sky. He observed the moons of Jupiter, providing evidence for a heliocentric model. Isaac Newton, a true polymath, formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation. His work laid the foundation for classical physics. He showed us that the universe was governed by predictable laws. These pioneers were not afraid to be different. They were not afraid to challenge the established norms. In their pursuit of knowledge, they reshaped our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Their stories remind us that true progress often comes from those who dare to think differently. They inspire us to question, to explore, and to never stop seeking knowledge. Section 4. The power of ideas. The impact of the scientific revolution was immense. The ideas of Copernicus, Galileo, and Newton spread throughout Europe. They sparked intense debate and challenged the authority of the Church, which had long held sway over matters of knowledge. The scientific revolution was not just about scientific discoveries. It was a cultural and intellectual revolution. It led to the Enlightenment, a movement that emphasized reason and individual liberty. The invention of the printing press played a crucial role in disseminating these new ideas. Books, pamphlets, and scientific journals made knowledge more accessible. This led to a more literate and informed public. The scientific revolution taught us the power of ideas. It showed us that questioning, exploring, and challenging the status quo can lead to profound changes in the way we understand the world. Section 5. A legacy of innovation. The spirit of the scientific revolution is still alive today. We see it in the work of modern-day innovators who push boundaries in fields like technology, medicine, and space exploration. From the development of the internet to the exploration of Mars, we continue to build upon the legacy of the scientific revolution. The same spirit of inquiry and innovation drives us to explore the unknown and to make new discoveries. Just as Copernicus dared to imagine a different solar system, and Galileo dared to point his telescope at the heavens, today's innovators challenge conventional thinking and push the limits of what's possible. The scientific revolution was not just a moment in history, it was the beginning of a journey. It's a journey that continues today, driven by the spirit of curiosity, creativity, and the courage to think different.